So here you can see the tools like a PCB board, soldering iron rod, stand, cutter, and lead wire. First of all, we need to heat up the soldering rod, and then we need to wipe it. So after wiping, we need to take lead wherever the joint is required, wherever we need to solder, and place the soldering iron rod and join the PCB. Touch the tip of the soldering rod with the lead so that you can have a small liquid and which is placed on the joint. So here you can see the connection. So wherever it is required, if you are placing that iron rod with the solder, so it is going to melt it and stick to the plate. And after finishing that, we need to wipe the soldering iron rod. The process will be continued until your soldering is done.